Hello friends and welcome! Today we're going to learn our shapes and colors. Can you help me find them in the pictures? Look carefully and say the words with me. This is a pink circle. Pink circle. Can you find the pink circle? It's hiding in this image. There is the pink circle. Did you see it? This is a red triangle. Red triangle. There is a red triangle hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the red triangle. Did you find it? This is an orange star. Orange star. The orange star is hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the orange star. Did you find it? This is a blue rectangle. Blue rectangle. There is a blue rectangle hiding in this picture. Can you find it? Here it is. Did you find the blue rectangle? This is a green oval. A green oval. There is a green oval hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There's the green oval. Did you see it? This is a purple diamond. Purple diamond. There's a purple diamond hidden in this picture. Can you find it? There's the purple diamond. Did you see it? Okay, a quick review of the colors and shapes we learned today. Pink circle, red triangle, orange star, blue rectangle, green oval, purple diamond. Great job everyone today. You found so many shapes and colors. See you next time. Bye bye.